Hello and welcome to day 6 of our calendar unboxings. It's number 6.
Okay.
Is it number 5?
I think it's 5. I think we did 3.
Hello.
I did 3 and 4 yesterday.
Apparently it's day 6. No!
5. 5.
I'm having a rough day. Welcome to day 5 of our calendar unboxings. Let's start with number 7, 12 Days of Beauty. What day is it?
I think it's 5.
Okay, 5.
I hope it's 5.
So, 5 is right here. And what have we got today? So today we've got the Beautiful Skin Micellar Cleansing Water for normal to dry skin. Perfect.
Say micellar.
Micellar. So that was day 5. Let's see what else we have. Next up, 12-Day Revolution Makeup. Let's pick the next one and see what we have. Oh yes! It's an eyeshadow palette. My favorite thing. So this is the Velvet Mattes Pigment palette. And so they're all mattes, which is good because, you know, you want to not wear sparkles every day. On the inside, I sparkle. Don't ever let anyone dull your sparkle.
Oh my god.
I'm a huge dork nerd loser. It's okay. So here's the colors. So there's like this purple is really pretty. It's called Mood. So let's swatch a couple of the richer colors. See how they turn out. Very pretty. Oh, very pretty. So there's 3 colors. So that was from the top, Blush, Mood, and Ground. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. I love eyeshadow palettes. Next up, we have the 24-Day Revolution Makeup Advent Calendar. What day is it? 5. So here's day 5. And let's see what we got. Looks like a lip color. I like these calendars. The doors come off really easily and the products come out really easily. So we have got, an amazing lipstick in the shade Affection. Smooching on the hand. That's a very nice pink. Let's try it on. All right, let's give this a go. I don't get it on my teeth this time.
That's a nice color.
Is it?
Yeah, I like that.
Pink doesn't usually suit me.
I think it does.
Like not a happy pink. I like a dusty rose pink.
I like that one on you.
Oh, thanks, babe. Pretty. I'm blotched so I don't get it on my teeth. So that was day 5 of the Revolution 24-day calendar. I like lip colors and I like getting eyeshadow palettes. So it's a very good day so far. Up next is our NYX Loveless Disco box. And day number 5 is somewhere. Oh, it's right here. It's a big old door. It's a huge door. How big that door is? It's probably going to be a brush. Oh.
Big one. Is it?
That was a big door for this. What we got? What is it? What is this?
It's either an eyeliner pencil or something.
But I don't like eyeliners, nor can I open this. What did we get? Oh, it is a brush.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it just had one of these on it. So, we got a nice fluffy little eyeshadow brush. perfect. Awesome. Not as exciting as makeup, but you know, you can always use an extra brush. So, perfect. And always last but not least is our Glossybox day 5. I'm gonna try opening it. Let's try opening it this way. Is this 5 right here, Jason?
Yes.
Okay. Ooh.
Watch 12 though. Close those doors.
Oh. All right, what did we get in day 5? Oh, another tube of some sort. Oh, it's a Philip Kingsley product. I know that those are quite pricey. So this is the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer, an intensive super conditioning pre-shampoo treatment for all hair types. It adds elasticity, manageability, bounce, and shine. Perfect. So I'll give that a try at some point on my lovely hair.
That's a bold claim.
What? I'm going to try it?
No, that does all that stuff.
Oh, yes, it is. But it's probably really expensive. Let's try a little bit. Smell it. It doesn't smell like anything. Doesn't smell like anything. So, let's see how much this little tube costs after yesterday's $119. So, 1 sec. Let me check the price. Jason's covering it up so I can't see.
You want me to tell you?
Yeah, just tell me. How much the price?
$28.
$28?
Yeah.
That's not that expensive.
Yeah.
I mean, it is expensive for something this small.
That size, yeah.
Yeah, you can't use this, by the way.
I wasn't thinking I would be able to.
Well, that's good. So, yeah. You're not gonna. So, I'm excited to try that out. I'm excited. This is my favorite thing today. Followed by the lipstick, and then the brush, and then this hair treatment, and then the micellar water. I have a big jug of this from Garnier, so I'm curious to see if they're all alike or not, but I really like it because it gets rid of makeup really easily. So, that was day 5, right? Yeah. So that was day 5. It was a great day. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow for day 6. And don't forget to please like and subscribe. Visit my Instagram, visit my Facebook. Give me some, give me some love. I'm a nice lady. Okay, have a great day, everybody. Oh, I have an itchy nose. So apparently I have to go cook dinner first, and then I can combine all my pretty videos and upload them. My husband's a slave driver.